Alright guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. In my previous tutorial, we look at how you can sign up with NBC Skye Logistics, right? So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can apply for shipping. For those of us that is not familiar with the app, I'm going to be taking you through the apps in this tutorial. So if this is your first time of seeing a video like this is 𝐻𝐲 Logistics. Here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with e-commerce, arbitrage, importation and exportation tutorials. Okay, so what you want to do is to subscribe, like our videos, and also share. Okay, so now this is NBC. They are shipping companies that help you ship from China directly to Nigeria. Okay, so we have different type of shipping company. Basically, we have a lot of them. I've recorded a video on Sky Cargo, I've recorded a video on SkyJet, and I've recorded a video on different shipping companies. I'm going to be leaving them under the description button of this tutorial, so you all can watch and compare. Those that have apps that you don't need to contact anybody, just download the app, register, and do your thing there. So now the first thing you need to look at here is their shipping prices. So this is their shipping prices here. They can ship a phone for you for 18,000 naira per phone, 3 to 5 days. That's express. Then if it is iPhone 17, they ship it for 27,000 per phone. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that they are express for their air service, which is normal goods. These are their pricings here. So you can just go through all these things, right? So let me cancel it. Now, to create an account, you need to go and watch the previous video. I'm going to be leaving it under the description button as well. I've recorded the video on how you can create an account successfully. Okay, so once you are done creating an account, how you can get your shipping address, I've also recorded it on that same video, so you can go and watch it. Now let's assume you've created your account now and is ready for use. So this is how it's going to look like. Now add package, this under add package here, if you click on it, it simply means you've used their shipping company and you are expecting a package. You are expecting a package, right? So that is what add package means. So you are just going to click. If you want to if you want them to help you fast track it, you just want to click on this add package here. Then your shipping your tracking number, maybe you buy from any Chinese app, 168 Taobao, Pinduoduo, anyone at all. So you input it here and click on submit. So once you click on submit, it's going to come to this page where we have to receive. Now I added a tracking number here under this to receive. That is why you find it as 1 pieces. So this is it, and you can see the status here. It says not received. So once they receive it, it's going to move from this to receive to apply for pack. Okay, so this apply for pack, if you click on it here, that means they've received anything you see under apply to pack. It simply means they have already received it, is in their warehouse. Do you understand it? So you can see here under this place you can find the under this place you can find the weight of the package, right? So this is the weight, and you can see it here. This is the tracking number and this is the second weight. So if you want to apply for shipping now, I'm going to be doing it practically. So you are just going to click on this, then click on the second one. So you can click on select all. Once you select all, it's going to give you the total kg of the two items, right? So once you select it, you are going to click on select parcel. Once you click on select parcel here, the next is going to take you to next page where you are going to do what? Where you are going to be selecting where you want them to ship your item to, right? So it's going to take you to where you're going to be adding your address. So you want to click on add address here. Once you click on add address, this address is your home address. You can always add your home address under this section here. So you are going to click on add delivery address here. So once you click on add delivery address, it's going to give you the details, right? It's going to give you the details of the address. So here you want to add your company name. Your company name, you can leave it as your name as well, it doesn't matter. So the consignee name, which is you are the consignee, you can put your personal name here. Then the contact phone number, you can input your phone number here directly. Okay, then your distribution area is Nigeria. Then your delivery address, you can put your location here. It depends on your location. So I can put Lagos, I can put anywhere, it doesn't matter. So you want to click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to save this as your address. You can see now it says your address has been updated. So I can click on back to address list. So once I tap on back to address list now, it's going to take me to where I'm going to be proceeding in doing my in selecting my stuff. So I'm just going to tap here. I'm going to select this, and once I select it, I can proceed in applying for the shipping. So everything basically you are going to be doing it on the app. It does not gives you any stress at all. So you can see here it has takes us to this page. Remember, this is our 2 tracking number here. Okay, so once we are done filling the address, the destination, their warehouse in Lagos, you are going to select it. They have 3 type of warehouse: Lagos Express, normal goods, and seal. So the method of your shipping is what you are going to be using here. Basically, I want them to use it as express. I want them to pack it and send it as soon as possible. So I'm going to select Lagos Express. But if it is normal goods that you just want them to use air cargo, you can always come back here and select Lagos Air Cargo. Do you understand? So if you want to use seal shipping, you can use Lagos seal shipping. So please don't go and do the mistake. So the next thing here is the shipment type. So remember, we've selected Lagos Express, so you are going to select it again. Then your payment method here. So you are going to select your payment method. So once you click on payment method, it's going to open it, or basically you can just leave it blank because you are going to be paying directly to the company's account. So once you are done with this, then the next thing is to click on confirm. So once you tap confirm, it's going to complete the process and it's going to notify them. You can see here that these are the sensitive goods that they are not shipping. So you can see now it says operation successful. So if I'm to click on back to home page, it's going to take me to home page, and under that to receive, it's going to move from that session to the next session. That means is on transit. So is either they notify you on the phone number you dropped on this platform, is either they notify you from there, or they send you a text message, or they send you a WhatsApp message, or on this app. You can basically monitor it on this website too. That's how you can do it. So now you can see it here. From this apply to pack, it has moved to under packing. So if I'm to click on it, it means that they are presently packing it and they are presently sending it out. So that is where we have this under packing. So once it leaves this under packing, is you can see it here, the status is waiting for packing. All right, once they pack it, it's going to move from this under packing to parcel have shipped. This simply means they've shipped it out. So under this parcel have shipped, you can see the updates, the movement. If it has leave, the date it leaves China address, their China warehouse address, the day it's going to arrive, you are going to see all the details there. So if you want to click on all orders, under this all orders section is where you are going to be seeing all your other sessions. So before I proceed in this tutorial, please, if you've gained value so far in watching this tutorial, why don't you just subscribe? We basically record videos that have to do with importation related. You can go through our channel. We record everything that have to do with importation without you paying anybody. You can learn everything online on our channel. But if you now needed mentorship, if you need someone, maybe you are confused somewhere, then you can come to our DM on WhatsApp or on Instagram with the number on the screen for us to be able to mentor you, give you details on what you are confused about. So then you can reach out to us. We can help you create 1688 accounts, self-verified Alipay accounts for you, help you set up any accounts that you are confused about. We are also an exchanger. We sell and buy RMB from WeChat to Alipay and others. So you can reach out to us with the number displaying on your screen. So once you're done with this, maybe you want to make inquiry about any of their services, then you see this China office, the first one and the second one. You can click on it. It's going to redirect you to WhatsApp directly. So if I'm to click on it now, it's going to take me to WhatsApp. You can see now that it's presently opening my WhatsApp, and you can see if I'm to say allow, then open in business WhatsApp, it's going to open my WhatsApp and takes me to their China manager directly. So with this, I'll be able to chat directly. You can see here. So I'll be able to chat with their manager directly. I just wiped my phone. I have used them series countless time. You would have seen our previous conversation. So let me go back. So if you want to change your password, you can click on under change password and other stuffs. So that's how you can apply for shipping on NBC Logistics. Okay, so I hope you find value in watching this very short tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and also share it to whomsoever you think the video will be helpful to. Thank you for watching this video to the very end, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye and peace out.